Greetings, my viewers and subscribers. I couldn't help being a part of this. Isn't she beautiful, Mother Nature? Wow. Just stand up on my balcony and said, man, I'm jealous looking outside. And I said, nah, jealousy isn't the right word. Anything you are in, you are a part of it. Eh? Look at the nature. Just look at the nature. Just look. Mother Nature touch every limb, every branch, every root. Just couldn't help myself. I come being a part of this. And simple as it looking, it's a healing to you. If this attract you, a lot of things cannot distract you. Just come into her, live with her, be with her. She can help you. Sometimes it's not only the physical need or things that we think we need or want help. Just simple this. Just be with her. Gosh, this is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. My. And look at me from head to toe. This is so beautiful. Couldn't help myself inside and come out on my balcony, take a coffee and said, nah, I can't do much more than that. Go and get involved. God, feels so good. So respect to my viewers and subscribers. This one is for all of you, all right? Share it up if you like, if you want. Yeah, man, and you enjoy it yourself. All right, I'm gonna take some more walk in this beautiful weather. As you can see, it's still reaching down on me for you. All right, enough love and respect. Got to take our nearest walk into the forest. All right, blessed love.